Hi, after multiple years of my winshit computer updating itself without my consent and trashing my unsaved work, I have decided to stop it. While browsing the forums, I came across this tool, and in this video I will show you how to use it to pause and resume Windows 10 updates at any time. First, go to the link in my description. Download this application called Stop 10 Updates by clicking on the download button. It is not a virus, I promise. Open the downloaded zip file and start the installer. The installation process is simple. Just keep clicking next till the installation is finished. Here is what the application looks like. You can see the Windows update is not blocked at the moment. The big red maybe orange button is for stopping and resuming the updates. Let's click it and stop the Windows update services. You can safely close the window and use your computer normally. Windows will not install any updates now till you turn the updates back on. You don't have to worry about your computer restarting or about losing some work. If you want to turn Windows Update back on, follow this simple process. Search for Stop Updates 10 and open it. Click the Restore Windows Updates button. That's it, my friends. You should turn updates on at least once a week to install important updates and keep your winshit computer safe from hackers. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this shitty tutorial helped your shitty computer. Bye.